Imagine you are responsible for writing, implementing, or testing a user story in Jira. You remember that some time ago there were lengthy discussions about a related user story, but unfortunately you no longer remember what was decided at that time. Imagine now that you have an illustration in Jira that graphically shows you the relationships, which is just one click away from those two user stories. A dream that becomes reality with Yest for Jira. Yest for Jira is a free Jira app available on the Atlassian marketplace. It installs a new Jira issue type called Yest Workflow. The issue type comes with a user-friendly workflow editor and empowers you to swiftly create flowcharts. You can also link user stories, defects, or other Jira issues to the individual actions within the workflow. This will be tremendously helpful for your team colleagues who try to understand what happens when and where. You only need to open the Yest workflow in Jira to see the links. Of course, it is also possible to structure the workflows with sub-workflows. With Yest for Jira, complex processes can be depicted without having to deal with the intricacies of UML or other modeling languages. We are talking about an extremely pragmatic way of modeling. The workflow itself usually relates to an epic or feature. It relates technically because they are linked in Jira, but also logically since it provides a comprehensive overview of the larger context. That's why I said that the information is just one click away. No need to open Confluence. It's right here in Jira where you need it. The primary benefit of integrating Yest for Jira into your development lifecycle is the visualization of user stories in their logical sequence, streamlining the understanding of project requirements for development and testing. The visual workflows form the cornerstone of team collaboration, with the three amigos, product owner, developer, and tester, using these workflows in their discussions and for communication in general. The visual workflows express the expected system behavior. In fact, you might consider them as a description of your system acceptance tests. In that case, you practice a visual form of acceptance test-driven development, also called ATDD. The test scenarios become part of the requirement analysis and specification process. With the Yest workflows, you shift left without even realizing it. Yest for Jira is the to-go tool for product owners and business analysts who seek to clearly communicate their expectations. Developers and testers use the visual workflows to identify and highlight unclear, contradictory, or even completely missing requirements. Moreover, the visualization serves as an invaluable resource for onboarding new team members and external consultants, enabling them to rapidly acquire and verify their understanding of the project. The workflow becomes a shared language, enhancing clarity and efficiency across all stages of software development. You want to learn more about visual test design? In that case, you should have a look at our YouTube channel and watch, for example, the video on the interaction of Yest for Jira with Yest Enterprise. My name is Anne Kramer. Please feel free to contact me if you want to hear more about Yest and Yest for Jira.